Here's where the peas are going to go. This was left in the garden over the winter. We had some health challenges and weren't able to clean up last fall. This actually held cucumbers, which I'll put up another one later on when it's much warmer for the cucumbers. But for now, it'll hold the peas. And then over here, I have a couple of beds that are relatively weed-free. I'll clean those up today. I'll put spinach in one, and then some odds and ends of things that I have hanging around that are cold crops as well in the other one. Two days ago, I planted peas here. And now we're going to get a whole bunch of snow. Pretty much won't hurt my peas, but I was planning on doing some major weeding. This place needs some serious work. 2-3 days ago, I planted peas. It wasn't too early, but they sure got covered up today. I don't know how much we've got, but I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 inches. And my little peas are under there, and they'll get nice and watered when it stops snowing. And here's my weed piles, waiting for warmer weather, which will be in about another day.